What's up, everyone? Brandon Brotsky from Reach Home Loans. And things just got a little bit easier when qualifying for an FHA mortgage if you were affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. So in early July of this year, 2022, HUD just made some changes in guidance on how we can calculate income for individuals whose employment and income were directly affected by the pandemic. Now, this is going to apply primarily to self-employed individuals and those of you who have variable income, such as tips, commission, bonus. Maybe you work part-time and you have variable hours. Any type of income that would typically require us as a lender to average, it's now going to be easier to qualify because HUD is allowing us to take out the period of time where you experienced that financial hardship due to COVID specifically. So if in 2020 you worked as a waiter or waitress, for example, and your restaurant was closed down for most of the year, clearly your 2020 income is going to appear lower because you weren't receiving the tips that you rely upon throughout the year. So what they'll allow us to do now is take 2019, average that with 2021, assuming you were back to work at that time, and your year to date, while removing 2020 altogether. Therefore, we're going to get a higher income average than we would if we had to take the months you were out of work, average with the months you were back to work. So, same thing applies to self-employed individuals, where we normally on an FHA mortgage would have to average the two most recent years of income together to figure out the monthly income that's usable for the loan. We can take out the period of time where the business was affected by COVID-19 and average the time that was actually being worked and income being earned. So, like I said, things just got easier. We're also seeing other loosening of guidelines when it comes to the COVID overlays that were put in place, such as profit and loss statements being required, multiple business tax returns, so on and so forth. If you're interested in trying to qualify for an FHA mortgage, if you had trouble in the past and it was specific to what I'm discussing in this video, please make sure to reach out to us directly. I can be reached at 954-478-8366.